Alright, we got a little fire pit project here. We kind of built it in a hurry just because we wanted a fire. And safety first. So, here's a fire pit. Mud and brick. We just pulled some brick out of the yard. Let's go find a little bit more. We got random brick buried everywhere. A little bit here. A little bit over here. Look, a pickaxe. Perfect. Pulling out. Yeah, random brick. Get some more.
Small shovel.
Small shovel. Perfect size. Come on, sing the fucking Snow White 7 Doors.
Hi ho, it's off to work we go.
Here, take this.
For you.
Thank you.
Got a nickel?
You're welcome.
Got a shiny nickel.
Ooh, a shiny nickel. Say shiny nickel.
Thank
Help your daddy find bricks?
Yeah.
Hardest worker of the crew right here. With the little butt shake.
So, a seriously blonde question. Can you bake earth into brick?
What do you think brick is made out of? What do you think terracotta is?
Clay?
Earth.
Like, I meant like dirt.
Well, considering this dirt is adobe, clay, yes.
You really no? Did you really just ask if we can make earth into brick?
Yep.
Yeah, I said it was a blonde question. I knew you guys were giving me a hard time about this, but I really didn't know.
You said earth though.
Earth, wind, water, Captain Planet.
Oh god, he has a rake.
It's not in the circle, dude.
I don't care what you do with it. Just don't play in the circle.
I don't want to try to redraw it. So should we do it like right on? Like that?
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Like flat bricks first?
Couldn't be power tooling right now.
And don't you get on my case about how I power tool. That's my terminology right there. What are you doing? Are you being handsome? Yeah. Mom, I got a ball.
Fucking that slab we can just put right there.
Drop.
Well, if
This
we're
is a
gonna
great contest. It's gonna be about dogs.
Where's your good boy? Where's your good boy?
was that the football?
Where's your good boy? Oh.
Seriously, why did
Oh.
football so fucking
Yeah.
now?
Did I hit you?
No.
Crack kills, Jared.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Twerk.
Afterwards, we'll go back over it and smooth it out, make it look all pretty.
With a stick. It's about as basic as you can get. Boys will still be boys. Always gotta play in that frickin' mud. It's not with the truck, it's with their hands building shit.
Hey, when you don't have the money to buy the proper shit, or the fucks to give to do it, use mud. Alright, so we coated the inside.
For the most part, we ran out of mud.
For the most part, yeah. We didn't feel like mixing up more mud. And that's where it ends. We're gonna start up a fire, let it dry out a bit. Then we'll coat the outside, make it look pretty. Gotta enjoy the grass. Yay, it holds fire.
Kind of failed at the fire.
Yeah, wet wood. Smokes like a bitch. But it works.